Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to come on here real quickly and play with one of Kendra's card kit samplers. So she sends you this cute little sampler if you are one of her All Access patrons. And so if you look, she actually has a sticker on the back that you can scan for information. So this is the Spellbinders Happy Skies Ahead card making kit sampler that Kendra has sent me. Alrighty, so let me show you some of the goodies that came in the kit. Now I did use some of the kit already, and let me show that to you. I made this one. So here's the other goodies that are in the kit. Oops. So we have these strips that of course you can use on the inside of your card or you can use on the front. Use your paper how you choose. And then we have this blue cardstock. Some nice little ephemera here, really cute. S is for sunshine, simply the best. Oh, look at this cute little cell phone. Take a look. Little cloud and camera, and then some little sequins. And of course, these are stickers, and these are like cardstock stickers. And I gotta tell ya, my grandson got to them, so there are a couple missing, but that's okay. And then we have some pattern paper. So you have a 2-inch piece with those sun shines on them, and then this pretty yellow, and then the 2-inch piece of that yellow. And then here is the larger panel of the sunshine little faces, and then here's a large panel with all these sunglasses on them, and then this 2-inch strip. So what I'm going to do is kind of just follow what I did on my first card and make 3 more cards. So let's put these cards together using this month's card sampler. So I think I'm going to put this one on the blue, and then I'll bring in a different cardstock for these.
A morning framed by golden sunlight. A morning close friends travel together. Never wanting this to end, singing in the car and then our destination's here. Never wanting this to end, everything in perfect land. Now let's ride. High expectations, gray winds are blowing. The great yellow sun is.
I found a workaround to not having the color I need. So it looks like these peel-offs can be, if I use a white one, I can color it with my alcohol markers. And I'm just sticking it on this Dollar Tree mat that I have. It's a cutting board that I got at the Dollar Tree. And I'm just sticking it on there. And look, I have yellow peel-offs. Perfect. Okay, so we have those with their peel-offs. And let me show you how easy it is. So I just have some alcohol in this spray bottle. Spray it, and then just grab my rag, and it wipes right off. Alrighty friends, here are the 4 cards I completed with the Spellbinders Happy Skies Ahead card making kit sampler from Kendra's Card Challenges. And this is all I have left. I have a few of these cardstock stickers and these little sequins. So I think I did pretty good. I made 4 quick and easy cards. And I used up the pattern paper that was in the kit, lots of the ephemera that was in the kit, and those cardboard stickers. And I think they're just so cute. Now, I'll be sure to link to Kendra's channel in the description box below, as well as to her Patreon, so that you can join and get one of these fun sampler kits. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or followed me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye!